A pleat fold is symbolized by a zigzag arrow with both a valley fold line and a mountain fold line on the diagram. So fold a pleat fold like this, fold it up, and the second fold, fold it parallel to the first in the opposite direction. This is a pleat fold. An accordion fold is a repeating of the pleat. So valley along the same line, mountain, and valley again. This is an accordion fold. A swivel fold is like the pleat fold, except the second line, the second crease, is folded at an angle to the first. So fold a mountain fold that pivots at a point to the original, and then bring the second fold down over the first. Swivel fold. A crimp fold is exactly like a swivel fold, only done with 2 layers of paper. And a swivel is done on the other side as well. So that it's symmetric on both sides. This is a crimp fold.